Hey guys, DSC JIT Noida has some exciting great news for you all. We are very happy to announce that DSC JIT Noida and DSC JIT Sector 128 are collaborating for 30 days of Google Cloud, as you can see on the website. So what is 30 days of cloud? It is a 30-day event started by Google Cloud, and I, Ayan, will be your program facilitator for this year for JIT. For 128 students, Avinav will be your facilitator. In this program, you register and win exciting goodies and swags by Google. You just have to complete a track in the program. Worry not, DSC JIT Noida and 128 will help you out in completing those tracks. But first, let's see how you should register for this program. So, this is the program site. The link for the site will be in the description. You can find it. And to register for the program, first let's open an incognito window. In that window, the program URL will be bit.ly/gcpcc/student. As you can see there, I have already marked this URL. The form will open up like this. This is the whole description about the 30 days of Google Cloud. You can read it. Okay. And these are some of the prizes you will be getting after or winning after completing those tracks, which I and Abhinav will teach you or guide you how to perform. Okay, click on next. Then these are terms and conditions. I suggest you should read it at once, but I have already read it, so I accept the terms. If you want to be the part of the program, please don't decline it. I would suggest. Then comes the actual form, detail filling. So you can see my name is I. To get your goodies and all the swags, put your shipping address properly, or else there will be a problem in future. Maybe okay. Now select your teacher site. Mine is select your institution. This part is actually very crucial. If you are 62 student, please select JIT 60. Please select only JP Institute of Information Technology. If you are JP Institute of 128 student, select this one. Don't select any other institution you are not part of. Remember, you can be disqualified on false registration. Please remember that. So I study in 62, I will select JP this one, and year of graduation, mine will be 2022, and yes, I have an internet browser and Google Chrome browser, and I do have a Quick Labs account. For those who don't have a Quick Labs account, I will tell them how to get that, but first let me tell you about for those who have a Quick Labs account, click on yes, go to next. Okay, now comes the important part. If you have the Quick Labs account, this is the URL for Quick Labs. Open it in incognito only. That's important. You will be redirected to this page, Google Cloud Training. Okay, and click on sign in. This is for those who have a Google Quick Labs account. Put your email, password. I use sign in with Google, so I will sign in with Google. Okay, you will see some kind of this. Welcome, Ayan. This is the home page of your Quick Labs, and the next thing you have to do is you have to complete a tour. Okay, this is the URL given for the tour of Quick Labs in your eyes. This you have to complete this because then only you can get your 600 credits for which are required to complete this program. You have to spend at least 5 minutes on this URL on this web. So open this and you will be redirected to a kind of page like this. I would suggest you to go through the video. I already know what is in the video, so I will skip it. but I suggest you to actually go to the video and I will sign in. again this is a problem of incognito. Let me sign in once again, but I really suggest you to always go through incognito when using Quick Labs, because there may be you have to use many accounts and there will be problem if you don't use incognito. So this is the basic tour of Quick Labs in Google Cloud. This is the first lab and it is a free lab. So it is there you have an overview about what is Quick Labs, what is GCP, how to use this interface and what is about this. You have to complete this lab by you have to first click on start lab. You get 45 minutes. Click I'm not a robot and just tell you are not a robot. Okay, so my lab has started and there is this panel open Google Console, which takes me to a GCP panel where I have to sign in, and I will sign in using the username here. Copy, next, password copy. I suggest you should not use any of personal email ID here or anything after starting lab. You should enter in the sign in the Google Console using the username and password provided here only, or else there will be some problems. Okay, and these are about the what is about start lab and everything. You have to complete this question answer, and you will get these answers in this everything. I suggest you should read give it a thought and read it, please. Now after completing the lab, you should at least wait for 5 minutes. In this lab you just have to theoretically read and get to know about everything about the GCP and everything. Okay, once you open the GCP, this kind of box comes, so you have to agree and continue. This is the first interface, GCP console. Okay, so we will be having an online session and hands-on session, and I will tell you about this more then only. Okay, here I am telling you how you can get your credits and how you can register. So this is it. I will end the lab because I don't need it actually. I have completed it already. I submit, and you will get your credits here. Wait for at least 10 to 20 minutes. If you don't get your credits, so you can reach out to us. Okay, and I would strongly recommend you just spend at least 5 minutes in this lab, then only you will get your credits transferred. Thank you. Or then you have to make your Quick Labs account public for this program. So this is the another URL for how to you can make it public. Just click and open it. It will redirect to you My Learning. Okay, I already have a public profile, so here it is coming with public profile. For those who don't have a public profile, here only in this My Learning option, here it will come a make public profile or view public profile. Click on that. You will get the option of making a public profile and click on it. When you click on it, just copy that URL here, Quick Labs public profiles and your profile ID. Just copy it and here paste it. Okay, this is very much important. You just acknowledge it and submit it. I am the facilitator, so I am not submitting it. This is not the form for me. This is the instructions for you. Okay, I will go back and I will just go to tell you how to register when you don't have a Quick Labs account. So this is for absolute beginners who don't know anything about Quick Labs. So click on No, I want to create one. Click on Next. You will be redirected to a form where all the instructions will be provided. So again, this is the URL. Go to Quick Labs. Here I am already registered. I will sign out actually. This is the page you will be getting when you go through the No, you want to create one and click on this. So there comes a join button and sign in button. You should for the ones who don't have a QuickLab account, please click the join button, click on sign in with Google if you want to sign in with Google, or create your account. Okay, that's it. And when you create your account, just verify it that you have created your account using the email which you have mentioned. Please remember, the Clubs account which you are going to create should have the same email by which you are registering for the program. That's how we will track your progress. Then comes again the same page. Make your profile public as I told earlier. Go to Quick Labs, go to My Learning option, and there you will find a View Public Profile button. So all the instructions are also listed here also. Please read it carefully, then acknowledge it and then submit it. I think that now it is clear. If you have any doubt, please you can contact any person from the DSC. We will be helping you out. Thank you.